Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Pinterest tag and UI event tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling the Pinterest tag, log into your Pinterest business account. Navigate to the ads section from the main dashboard. Select the conversion tracking option from the menu. Locate the Pinterest tag you wish to uninstall. Click on the tag to open its details. Once you see the tag details, find the delete button or option. Confirm the deletion by selecting yes when prompted. Now, let's move on to uninstalling UI event tracking. Access the platform where the UI event tracking was implemented. Open the code editor or relevant configuration settings. Identify the section of code related to Pinterest UI event tracking. Remove the code snippets associated with Pinterest events. Ensure you also delete any associated scripts or libraries. Save the changes to your code. Test your site to confirm that the Pinterest tag and UI event tracking have been successfully removed. Check your Pinterest account to verify that the tag is no longer listed in your conversion tracking. Review your website's functionality to ensure everything is operating smoothly post-uninstallation. This completes the process of uninstalling the Pinterest tag and UI event tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.